Crisis can strike when we least expect it, and how we react in these situations can define who we are as a leader. In high-stakes leadership, leading in times of crisis, you'll explore the fundamentals of crisis leadership, develop resilience within yourself and your organization, and learn how to prepare for your next major disruption, which isn't a question of if, but when. This course includes a virtual simulation that allows you to put your leadership skills to the test as you step into the shoes of a JetBlue leader, engaging key stakeholders during an extended flight delay. Respond to the needs of emotional customers and frustrated employees as you experiment with the skills that you've learned. Successful leaders inspire during times of crisis and face the most challenging situations head-on. Learn how you can do the same with this open online course from Michigan Online.